Hey everyone, welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. So in this video, we will discuss most frequently asked question for API testing series. So next question they have asked, what are the API endpoints? So I have one small snapshot. So where I will explain you first what is endpoint. Okay. So when you are validating the API, definitely will get some data from your dev team, right? So when you are hitting the request, right, when you are performing any operation in the API, right, so you need base URI, right? So you can see we have a one example for the base URI. So I have one API for Postman, and this is your base URI. Okay, or you can, in the simple word, you can say this is your URL, right? So in Postman we have a multiple activity. For multiple activity we have a multiple types of the API where we are going to perform some operation, right? You can see I have used http get method. So I want to see in our Postman how many workspaces we have, right? So you can see here we are sending this. What you want to means what you want to retrieve the data, where you want to perform the operation in your specific location, right? So here we have mentioned endpoint. So this is called your endpoint. So this is your specific location where we are going to perform the operation or whatever the validation, whatever the activity do you want to perform in this URI means URL. I'll give you another example, you will get more clarity. Okay, and here this is your path parameter. So path parameter means again, so specific ID I have given here, right? In we have a multiple workspaces, right? But I want to go for the specific workspace. So we have a specific ID for a specific workspace. This is called your path param. Okay, so then we have a separate topic, what is the path param, query param, we will discuss in the coming session. Okay, so whatever I have just written here, you guys can, one second, let me erase this. Okay, and one second, let me erase this, it looks like not good. Okay, understood, right? So what is endpoint? So API endpoints are a specific path or URI on a server where an API means interact with the client application. They represent the point of communication between the API and server, allowing the client to access the resources, perform the operation, or retrieve the data. In simple terms, API are the address where you send your request to interact with server. Okay, so I have another example. Suppose you are going to use Amazon, right? So I have another example. So you want to search the product, right? So API endpoints are like a specific address where your app can send a request to get or share the information. Each endpoint is like a different door. Okay, so you want to you want to search for the mobile, but I want to search for the product which is available in Amazon, right? Understood, right? So again we are going for the specific location here, right? But if you want to search mobile, right, so we can go for again a specific location, right? So different door, and behind of each door is the information or action you need. So imagine you are using the online shopping app, and when you send so if we want to send all the product, and then app send the request to the specific door API endpoint of the server. Okay, shopping server. So I just given the another example for understanding purpose, because e-commerce application we are going to use day by day can relate with your e-commerce application as well. The endpoint might list all the available product in the store, and the app go to this endpoint to get information all about the product, then show them in your app. Okay, so in the simple word, what is endpoint? So API endpoint where your app goes to fetch or send a specific data to the server, just like going to the right door to get what you need. Hope you guys are understand what is endpoint. And if you are new in the channel, guys, Please subscribe and press bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.